Modal verbs express necessity or obligation. Today we focus on the modal verb need. We use need to when something is necessary or required. For example, you need to study for the exam shows an obligation. When there is no necessity, we use needn't, which means you do not have to do something. For example, you needn't come early tomorrow means it is not necessary to come early. The verb need shows obligation or lack of obligation. Use need to express necessity. Sentences like, she needs to call her parents show that an action is important. When you want to say something is not necessary, use needn't. For example, he needn't worry means there is no need to worry. Both forms help express if something must or must not be done. The phrase need to shows that something is necessary. For example, you need to wear a helmet means it is important or required. The word needn't tells us there is no need to do something, like you needn't bring food, meaning bringing food is not necessary. These two forms help us communicate what is required and what is optional. Remember to change the verb need according to the subject. In the present tense, with I, you, we, and they, we say need to. For he, she, and it, add an S and say needs to. For example, she needs to go. In the past tense, use didn't need to say something was not necessary. Needn't have means someone did something but it was not necessary, like you needn't have bought it. Practice these examples with need. Say, I need to complete my homework before dinner to show obligation. Use you needn't come to the meeting if you are busy for lack of obligation. Another example is she needs to attend the seminar tomorrow. You can also say, they needn't bring any food to the party when it is not necessary. These sentences help you use need correctly. Avoid common mistakes with need. Do not say she need to go. Say she needs to go because the verb must agree with the subject. Do not say he needn't to come. Say he needn't come. Also, avoid repeating to as in you don't need to finish. The correct way is you don't need to finish. These tips help you speak correctly. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of need. For example, you need to study for the test shows obligation. We needn't wait for him shows no necessity. Use she needs to call the doctor when it is necessary. And say they needn't bring lunch when it is not needed. Practicing these helps you understand the use of need better. Use need to express necessity or obligation in positive sentences. Use needn't to say something is not necessary or optional in negative sentences. Remember that need changes form with the subject as needs or need. In questions and negatives, need can act like a modal verb or a main verb with auxiliary verbs. Also, needn't have means something was done but was not necessary. Try to select the correct form of need in sentences. For example, you need to finish your homework shows necessity. You needn't finish your homework shows no need. Practice with sentences like she needs to see the doctor and she needn't see the doctor. These exercises help you master modal verb need.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.